Recently I got a chance to visit a great holiday destination called Hua Hin, with its beautiful beaches, blue sky, amazing seafood restaurants, huge luxury golf clubs and adorable hotels and resorts. I went there for a weekend for my very first golf class with a real golf coach who plays this sport over 30 years, and I had a lot of fun and even have gained some knowledge about this sport. It's really not that simple as I imagined. There are many key elements you have to know and understand about this game, and to be honest, I was really bad at it. I was trying to show to my coach how strong I am, that I can dig a hole in the ground with my clubs, but the secret to success in this game is not in the power. Perhaps later I will make a separate video about golf play and my personal tips, but only as soon as I'll improve my game and will get more experience. So please, give me some time. Besides beautiful golf clubs, Hua Hin has a lot of attractions you can have fun and relax with. Huge parks, cave, mountains, friendly animals and stunning sunsets. But I prefer trying some new awesome activities rather than just enjoy sightseeing. And here you've got so many opportunities for this, especially things you can do on water. Windsurfing, parasailing, kite surfing, wakeboarding, and all of them are so cool. But how to get started and which one to choose? Well, personally I've decided to go with wakeboarding first. After I realized how bad I am at golf playing, I said yes to myself. I've got nothing to lose after such embarrassing play, and decided to find a lake with a wakeboarding park. And it was gorgeous Black Mountain Wake Park located right near the golf club. To be honest, I wasn't so sure about this sport. It was kinda out of my comfort zone. I was completely unfamiliar with it. I have never ever ride a snowboard, skateboard or any other board, but I thought it's safe and simple since even kids can do it. However, after I fell 6 or 7 times during the first few seconds after start, I realized there are some ground rules and recommendations that might be useful to know before you stand on the board. So here are my wakeboarding tips for you. Tip number 1. Safety first. When you'll arrive at wakeboarding park, you will see a lot of cool equipment there. Fancy wakeboards, helmets, awesome shoes. But don't worry, you don't need all of these at your very first time. You must wear a life jacket no matter how good you are at swimming, as it will save your life if you are out of power. It will make your fall softer, and it will help you to save energy while you are waiting for a safety boat to pick you up. Local staff will also provide you with a helmet and a beginner's wakeboard, which you will need to wear same way as flip-flops. Get a life jacket, a helmet and a board and be ready to start. The second tip, beginner's guide. Don't be shy to ask staff at the park to give you some beginner's instruction. Ask them to let you try standing on your board on the ground and pull the rope so you can understand which foot you want to face forward, how to keep your body in hands and how to hold the rope. It will help you to understand what you got to do on the water. Make sure you are comfortable with the foot you have placed forward. Sometimes just switching the lead foot is everything you needed to improve your riding performance. Tip number 3. Start. Once you have donned your life vest and put your feet in the bindings, it's time to jump in. There are 2 options, standing start and sitting start. I tried both and failed each time. But the second option is more recommended for beginners. To do a sitting start, move out to the edge of the starting dock and have a seat. Keep your board parallel to the dock. Take the rope into your hands and give the cable operator the go-ahead. As you feel the cable tension begins to pull you up, start raising yourself off the dock. Don't try to fight the board, just keep your knees bent and the rope centered. As you move to a standing position, lean back, plane out, and ride just as if you were riding behind the boat. Tip number 4. Don't pull the rope. Yes, it's very hard to not pull the rope, as your brain forces you to do so. Hey man, we're falling, pull the rope, pull the rope! And it's very hard to fight this feeling. That's why I fell. again and again. And couple times more, but then suddenly... Tip number 5. Use a beginner's wakeboarding stance. Yeah, that is the beginner pose. Look ridiculous, but it works. That's how I started to ride, and then fell again due to this exciting success. And it's not that easy to explain what exactly should you do with your body, but I'll try. When you are trying to get up of the water, don't stand up too fast. Keep your body close to the board at first. Let the rope do all the work, stay down low and stand up slowly. Keep your arms on each side of your front knee, squat down as much as possible and balance your body. Try to stay crouched down until you are fully out of the water. More than half of your weight should be placed on the front foot when you are standing up, but you have to shift your weight to the back foot after you have get up properly. Tip number 6. No tricks at your first day. There are many ramps and slides in every cable park, but before you hit your first jump, make sure you have the basics down in your head and you feel confident on the board. Don't try to complete any tricks at your first visit if you are a beginner. You need more time to get used to wakeboard. And tip number 7. Be patient. Don't be afraid to fall. Everybody falls. I did many times. Take your time, stay relaxed, learn from your mistakes and keep practice. Don't become frustrated if it takes several tries or more to get up your first time. It's a normal part of the learning process, so just have fun. Well, it was the last tip for today. I hope my little guidance will be useful for you. Guys, if you like this video, please share it with your friends, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video very soon.